এইবার আমরা নাজমুন নেহের বেগম ম্যাডামকে কিছু বলার জন্য অনুরোধ করছি।
Hello. Hello. Good afternoon, respected Chief Guest Ma'am Chitra, founder and CEO of Upgrade, Mr. Vishwajit Roy, all the faculty members and dear students of Upgrade, and let's not forget the guardians sitting here. I'd like to congratulate first of all Upgrade Academy for organizing such a beautiful program to motivate all the students who are being part of this academy. It's a privilege and pride on my part to be here today and say a few words. Before I start or before I begin saying something, I'd like to thank the authority of Upgrade who has invited me here today to say something. And people say, soldiers and teachers have to be prepared always. So I do, being a teacher, being prepared with what is being given to me, what is being vested upon me today to deliver to all of you. So I have been asked to say something about the new education policy and what is the future of students. But in spite of speaking on it, rather I would switch to speak on what computer education has, or what is the future of computer education in the life of the students. So it's regardless to mention that gaining a computer knowledge in today's time is imperative, and you have to gain the skills of computer to operate computers to perform any job, be it in any field, be it in education, which I am in. You have to extend, it's all about extending to all the branches of study in different fields and different sectors. Like for example, they find applications in medicine, they find application in education, they find application in industrial processing, they find application in the aviation industry. So wherever you see in today's time, computer has seen a tremendous change, and it is going to be a part of students' life in the coming time. Being said so, it's regardless to mention again that it plays an all-around role in the field of education, especially of students. Like we have seen the role of computers or the role of technology, which is a part of New Education Policy 2020, which has been implemented from 2023 to 2024. I hope all of you know this. And innovative technology being a part of it. Okay, so let's not lengthen the speech anymore, but I'd like to say that in the coming future, the scope of computer technology or information technology will be increasing owing to its numerous advantages and components. So students of computing technology have a lot of job opportunities, be it in government field or in a private sector, or self-opportunities as well, creating of self-opportunities. And I think Upgrade is doing a great job in educating students. So I'd like to congratulate all of you, and I'd like to congratulate Upgrade Academy for motivating students and building their career for future. Thank you and have a good day.